Welcome back. It's time for science. The last time we had science, we talked about physical changes. Did the size change? Did the shape of it change? Did the form of it change? All right. But we noticed one thing about a physical change is that what it's made of, it doesn't change. Still, the molecular structure will still remain the same. This week, we're going to be talking about a chemical change. All right, so we're going to be planning out and carrying out some investigations to determine if a chemical change has occurred based on observable evidence. So some of that evidence that we may be looking for is there difference in color? Is there now gas? Is the temperature changed? Has the temperature changed? Is there now an odor? Has a new substance been produced? Okay. The other thing that we're going to be doing this week is we're going to be analyzing and interpreting data to determine whether a change is physical or chemical. Let's get started. So today we're going to do a phenomenon. You know, normally our phenomenon is a picture, but today our phenomenon is a video.
Take this orange here, get a little peel from it. Take the peel, squirt it on the balloon. Alright, we're going to repeat this experiment again with a slightly larger balloon. We take the peel from an orange. And I'm going to squirt the balloon with the peel from the orange.
Pause the video. Write down what do you notice? What do you wonder? And if you need to, rewind the video. Watch the video again. All right? What do you notice? What do you wonder? All right. Welcome back, boys and girls. Of course, you know, always our first day with a new standard, we take a FAP. I just want to know, what do you know about chemical changes? You actually may know more than you think. All right? Go onto my eClass page, click the link that says FAP, F-A-P-T. You're going to look for the link. It should say Science Assignment FAP. Once you click that, I'm going to ask you to take 10 minutes to do this assignment, okay? When you are finished, or even if you don't finish, but the 10 minutes are up, I want you to come back. Pause the video. Welcome back, boys and girls. Okay, so I want you to know a little bit more about chemical changes. So I want you to go to your eClass page, to your student portal page. I want you to look for the icon that looks like this. It should say STEM Scopes. I want you to click on your STEM Scopes icon. When you click on your STEM Scopes icon, you will have an activity where you have to watch your video and then answer some questions based on what you understand from the video. You can watch the video as many times as you want and answer the questions. Okay, see you tomorrow for science.